everyone, it's great to see you. Dan and I have a very fun day planned today. We are heading to Russell's Garden Center in Wayland, Mass. So, of course, I went right to the Hydrangea where they had Endless Summer, Blushing Bride, Eclipse, and Tough Stuff Top Fun. There's Summer Crush, that bright pink hydrangea. It's doing great for me here. I love that. And then in the front here, we have Wee Bit Grumpy, and the pink behind in the back is Wee Bit Giddy. The Wee Bit Grumpy really looked fabulous. Look at all of these blossoms. This is the one that I ended up purchasing. It is beautiful and really a nice purple color. I'm excited about that. Then we have Wee Bit Innocent, which is a very pastel color. Here are some Bloomstruck. They have a real nice like purple stem, a dark stem to them. Everlasting Revolution is rather a pastel color, very upright, used in florists, by florists. Oh, and here is Zebra. Onyx Zebra is the one that I purchased short a time ago, doing so well. They have the black stem and the white flowers. Love the contrast there. And then as we go on, we have Twist and Shout, Magical Revolution, and then here's Wedding Gown. Wedding Gown has these beautiful white blossoms, and as they age, they turn pink. Here's Cherry Explosion. Cherry Explosion really stays a shade of red or pink. Beautiful. We have Tiny Tough Stuff coming up here. Let's Dance Big Band is the purple that you see. That's doing very well, and it stays fairly small too, 2 to 3 feet. And then we have Tough Stuff, and over to the far left, you can just see one of those little white blossoms peeking in here. We get to the Oak Leaf. This is Oak Leaf Toy Soldier. So much fun and very hard to only bring home one of those, but you can see here I found some more things. Now, Russell's is currently taking 25% off of their hydrangeas. So here is my adorable Wee Bit Grumpy at home. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.